Look guys, I wanna fit this. Ayan. A new dress of mine guys. Ayan. Pack na pack naman talaga to siya guys. Yung ating blue color. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Pack na pack. Ayan, susukat na natin siya guys. I really love it. Ayan. Ito yung ito yung bagong dumating na dress natin ngayon guys. Pack na pack yan. Ayan guys, look, eto na. Pack na pack yung aking new dress. Ayan. I really love it. I really love it guys. Ayan o. Ang lakas makaganda. Pack, pack, pack. Ayan guys. I really love it. Ayan o. Ang ganda guys. Pack na pack. I really love it guys. Ayan o. Pack na pack. For only 200 pesos. I really love it.
Wow! Guys, my fashion for today. Ayan guys, I really love my outfit for today guys. One of my favorite color. Ayan, the red color guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, I'm here at the mall guys. Ayan, walking at the mall. Ang daming tao guys. Oh. And I feel so beautiful today. Ayan guys, feeling model na naman ako. Ayan, because of my outfit. I really love it. Ayan, for only 350 pesos guys. Ayan, I really love the color of my dress now guys. I really love it. Pack na pack yan. I'm so happy naman talaga guys sa aking dress for today. Because, ayan o, ang ganda ko guys. I'm feeling beautiful today. O, diba? I really love it. Pack na pack yan. Ayan guys, nakatingin sila sa akin guys. Ayan. I feel shy. Gusto ko sanang rumampa guys. Kaya lang ang dami nakatingin sa akin. Ayan, kaya naman. Ayan o. O, diba? Pack na pack yan.
Yung beach. Yung ating outfit for today. My beach outfit for today, guys. I really love it. Ayan. Ayan po, ito yung ating blazer na susuotin. Ayan, for today. Ayan, so guys, ito na. Ito na yung aking blazer na napakaganda. I really love it. Ang lakas niya makaputi, guys. Ayan, oh. One of my fashion. I really love it. Ayan, guys. Pack na pack siya. Yung ating likuran. Ayan. Pack. Ayan, guys. Ay, diba? I really love it. Ayan guys, meron din naman akong panibagong blazer. At ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. Ayan, sumurang halaga lang yan guys for only 150 pesos. Ayan, pack na pack yung aking beach outfit for today. Pack. Ayan. Ganda naman ni aking ano guys, fashion for today. Because I really love having them guys. Pack, 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 pack.